welcome to today's session. In this session, we will be revising the concepts which we have learned earlier. Which are those concepts? Big and small, tall and short, fat and thin. These are the concepts we are going to revise in today's session. To begin with, we will start with big and small. What is big? What is small? And that is, this is a big ball. This ball is big. This ball is small. This is brown in color. This is pink in color. Big ball, small ball. One more example shall we see for this? Yes, you all like teddy, is it not? See, this is a big teddy. This is small teddy. Big, small. Big, small. Did you come to know what is big, what is small now? Yes. We will move on to next concept, that is tall, short. Tall, short. Mataji is tall. You are short. What do you mean by tall? Tall andre etra. Tall andre etra. Short andre kulla. For this, shall we see some examples? See, this girl is tall. Andre etra. This girl is tall. This girl is short. This girl is short. Tall girl, short girl. Tall girl, short girl. Shall we see one more example for this? Yes. This is the tall building. It is tall. This is short. Tall, short. I think many of you are living in the apartment. How the apartment building will be? It will be very tall. How the hut will be? It will be very short. So, tall building, short building. Tall, short. For this, one more example can we see? Shall we see one more example? You have seen giraffe, is it not? How the giraffe is? It is very tall. The giraffe is very tall. The cat is very short. Giraffe is tall. Cat is short. So, we have completed two concepts. Is it not? Which are those two concepts? Big and small, tall and short. Shall we move on to last concept? Which is that concept I have told? Yes, it is fat and thin. Fat and thin. I think you have seen Motu and Patlu cartoon. Have you seen? Yes, is not. How Motu is? Motu is fat. Fat andre dappa. How Motu is? He is very fat man. Patlu. See here Patlu. Patlu is very thin. He is a thin man. Thin andre sanna. Fat andre dappa. Thin andre sanna. For this, one more example shall we see? See this girl, how she is? She is very fat. See that boy? He is very thin. Fat girl, thin boy. One more example shall I tell you now? Yes. See this hippo. It is very fat. How the hippo is? It is very fat. See the deer. How it is? It is very thin. It is very thin. The deer is thin. Hippo is fat. Fat hippo, thin deer. So, you have come to know all the three concepts. Isn't now? Shall I say which are those concepts? Big, small, tall, short, fat and thin. These are the concepts we have revised now. Did you understood the concept? You have to see the things and compare yourself. ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಗಿದೆ ದಪ್ಪ ಇದೆಯೋ ಸಣ್ಣ ಇದೆಯೋ ಎತ್ತರ ಇದೆಯೋ ಕುಳ್ಳ ಇದೆಯೋ ನೀವೇ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಓಕೆ you have to learn the concept like that only. You have to see the objects surrounding you. You have to tell how it is, the things are. Will you do that? Yes, children. Did you enjoy the session? Yes. Before completing this session, we will do a small game. We will play a small game now. Are you all ready? Shall we have fun by playing? Yes. Before starting the game, you have to listen to the instruction carefully. If I say big, you have to show big. If I say small, you have to show small. Tall means you have to show short, fat, thin. Like this you have to play. But I will keep on telling randomly here and there. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೇನೆ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಟ ಆಡಬೇಕು. If you do mistake, you will be out. Shall I start the game now? Tall, short, thin, big, big, small, small. You are out. Yes. Shall we continue again? Big, short, thin, fat, tall, small, small, tall, fat, fat. Yes, you are out. Last one more time. Tall, small, fat, small, thin, thin. Yes. Did you enjoy the game? Yes, children. Very good. You can play with this with your friends also. Will you play? Yes, they will also learn how to play this game. Okay, children. Mataji will continue the session. Next session we will be meeting. Till then, Ram Ram.
Namaste children, it's rhyme time now. Today we are going to revise fruits rhyme. So shall we start? Yes, come on, let's start. Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, banana, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad, chiku, 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 mama mangoes, mama mangoes, apple, apple, fruit salad, fruit salad. Shall we repeat one more time, children? Yes. Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, banana, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad, chiku, 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 mama mangoes, mama mangoes, apple, apple, fruit salad, fruit salad. Hope you all have learned this rhyme. If you have not learned, practice at home, children. Dhanyavad.
Namaste children. I'm back with a new activity. Today we are going to do a fingerprint activity. Okay, shall we start now? See children, for this we require outline image of mango, yellow color paint and crayon children. Here first we have to write the date. Today's date is 2/6/26, small slipping line, 2, small slipping line, 2/1/21. Mama will help you to write the date. Okay, now we will start. Yes, first for this leaf we will do green color children. Here I am using crayon. You can use a green color paint also children. Okay, first for leaf green color. Yes, like this we have to color the leaf with green color children. Okay, next we will take yellow color paint. We have to, all the fingers we have to close, only this index finger we have to open and we have to dip like this. Okay, see here, take the help of your mama and do like this. This is the fingerprint activity. like this. Again, you have to repeat like this. Okay, you have to dip and you have to print like this, children. Like this, whole mango we have to do. Okay, see like this. Okay, wow, it is looking nice, na? Colorful. This mango is our national fruit. It is a king of the fruits. Okay, this is a seasonal fruits. We have to drink juice, mango juice, and a slice also we have to cut and we have to eat like that. Okay, it is good for health, children. You have to eat more fruits. Okay, yes. See, children, finally it looks like this. Okay, did you all enjoy this activity? Yes, children. धन्यवाद.
Namaste children. Today's home activity is you should not touch electric or electronic items. Very first thing we have to keep in our mind is such kind of switches, sockets, you are not going to keep your finger. You are not going to touch this. You cannot put your finger inside this. Your fingers are very small, no? If you keep it here, it will go inside. If it goes inside, you will get current shock. You should not touch any of these kind of switches. Okay, children? When mixie is on, you are not supposed to go near the mixie. Mother is going to prepare something. She will be concentrating on something else. And if you turn on or off, if the lid is open, if the jar is not there, if you keep your finger, it is going to harm you very badly. So you should not touch even such kind of things. When fan or pedestal fans are there, if it is on, it is easy to see or easy to put your hands inside the fan. So you should not keep your hands when fan is on, or if it is off also, you should not keep your hands, because the fan feather will be very sharp and it may hurt your fingers. Okay, children? If iron box switch is on, see here, the light is on. If iron box is getting heat, if you don't know, if you want to touch, it will burn your fingers, or if you keep your hands, it is going to burn your hands. So when iron box is on, you should not touch iron box. Okay, children? Dhanyavad.